So, hello everyone. This is me again, Dave Vallejos. Share ko lang tong one of the best investment na nalaman ko dito sa pagiging member ng IMG, which is Kaiser. So, itong Kaiser po is one of the biggest healthcare company dito sa Pilipinas. 'Di ba? Ang kagandahan nitong Kaiser is um, regulated ito ng Insurance Commission. So, hindi ka po basta-basta pwedeng makapag-put up ng healthcare without the 100 million requirement nila na meron ka. So si Kaiser, ang nilabas nila is they have 160 million above the requirement. So one of our clients sa Kaiser, meron tayo sa Supreme Court, di ba? Kaiser yung provider nila. Congress, Senate, yan. Sa mga Coast Guard. Marami po itong Kaiser. Marami din itong mga medical centers and mga accredited hospitals na pwede niyong i-search sa Google, Kaiser Accredited Hospital. So, itong i-share ko kayo is one of the products of Kaiser which is long-term. Ibig sabihin natin ng Kaiser long-term healthcare is Kaiser Health Builder. 3-in-1 to siya na siya yung makakatulong sa inyo in order for you to build your solid financial foundation. So, sabi ko nga, ang solid financial foundation, ito yung ipa-follow mo na parang blueprint mo to sa bahay mo na i-follow mo to para strong and stable yung solid financial foundation mo. So, unahin mo dyan, dapat meron kang healthcare. Then, meron kang life insurance. Then, manage mo yung utang mo, emergency fund. Last na yung investment, yung lupa, stocks, mutual funds. Pero si Kaiser kasi, 3-in-1 yung savings program niya. Ibig sabihin, meron siyang long-term healthcare that is until age 100. So from 10 years old to age 100, covered ka dito. So parang nagiging lifetime na siya. Meron din siyang life insurance na in case you die too soon, merong matatanggap yung beneficiary mo. At meron din siyang investment. Ibig sabihin dito, meron na siyang mutual fund. So may investment ka na sa stock market. So, 3-in-1, all you need to do is to manage your debt or avoid na lang natin yung pangungutang para wala tayong utang or eliminate yung mga bad debts, yung mga utang na walang balik na pera. And of course, kailangan din natin na emergency fund. Ito naman personal finance na to di ba? Ito kasi sa bangko tong emergency fund. 3 to 6 months po. 3 to 6 months of your monthly salary or expenses. Example, yung income mo is 30,000 monthly. So, dapat may at least 90,000 ka sa bangko na any emergency, yun yung gagamitin mong pera, di ba? Nawalan ka ng trabaho, may nagkasakit bigla sa family, may pumanaw, catastrophe, baha, nilindol. So, for emergency purposes yan siya. So, let's proceed. So, itong Kaiser, meron tayong tinatawag na plan. So, yung plan natin dito, yung pinakamaliit natin is K45. So, ang K45, all you need to do is to save 88 pesos a day. So, kaya itong kahit napaka-affordable nito Kahit mga estudyante pwedeng makapag-start dito kung magsiset aside lang sila sa baon nila. So, itong plan natin na example is K100. Personally, this is my plan. And annual payment ko dito is 58,000 yearly. Discounted yan ng 2 months. So, for 7 years, contract price is 411. So, it means the saving period is just 7 years. 7 years ka lang maghuhulog dito. Napakabilis. After 1 year ka nakapaghulog, ito na yung mga libre mo. Magsa-start na tong annual physical examination benefits mo. Yan yung parang medical natin na mga seaman kasi ako dati, di ba? May medical kami, mga ECG, X-ray, laboratories, dental benefits, yan. Bunot ng ngipin, simple tooth extraction, check-up, cleaning. Then, merong hospitalization, may hospital room. Yun yung mga libre. So, mamaya, I will explain it in detail. So, pagkatapos mo maghulog ng 7 years, starting the 8th year, tutubo na yung investment mo. Ibig sabihin, kung ano yung plan mo, for example, K100 ka, on a maturity, so maturity po dito, yan, after 13 years, so hulog ka ng 7 years, save ka ng 7, wait ka ng 13 years, magmamatured. So, yung K100, meron kang guaranteed na 100,000. Kung K45, 45,000. Dito naka-base yung 10%. So, it means 10% of 100,000 is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Yung interest, mag-i-interest pa yan. Yung tubo ng pera, mag-i-interest. Tawag dyan, compounding interest. Di ba? And then, meron din tayong yearly health bonus. Yan. Ang kagandahan dito sa Kaiser, pag hindi ako na-hospitalize. So, hindi ako na-hospitalize for 7 years. Example dito sa 7 years, hindi ako na-admit sa hospital. Ibabalik ni Kaiser yung hinulog ko 85%. So, 85% of 411 is 350,000. So, that is bonus. No? Upon maturity ko yan makiklaim. That's why ang total maturity value ko is 1.1 billion. So, during this time, pag matured na yung plan ko, so gamit ko na yung healthcare ko, after 1 year, then hit ako ng maturity, pwede ko nang withdraw lahat, entire maturity value. Pwede ko mag-withdraw ng portion, tapos yung naiiwan, mag-grow lang yan ng 10%, or i-retain ko yung maturity value at hihintayin ko during my retirement. Kasi kung magre-retire ako ng 60, meron akong 6.4 million. At the age of 65, meron akong 10.4 million. So this is for age 22 po na calculation. No? So dito, as young as 10 years old, pwede ka na magsimula nito para after ng maturity, malaki na yung natipon mong pera. So this is your funds na magagamit mo until age 100. Pag hindi mo magamit, pwede mong ma-convert into investment. So, pwede mong i-withdraw anytime. No? Pension na yan. Dito pa lang, pwede ka na mag-withdraw sa maturity. Pero pag hindi mo siya i-withdraw, imagine yung compounding interest at 10%. So, kaya nagustuhan ko tong Kaiser Kumuha ko nito kasi meron siyang life insurance, family long-term healthcare. So, malaman nyo ba't may family to dito kasi meron tayong family assistance. Lifetime yung savings and investment. Ibig sabihin, until age 100 yung tubo ng pera niya or lifetime. So, ano ba yung mga benefits ng Kaiser? First is no down payment policy. Pag pupunta ka kasi sa mga private hospital, ang unang tanong sa'yo is kung may health card ka. Kung wala kang health card, automatic ka magda-down. Kung wala ka pang down, dun ka sa public hospital. Di ba? Hindi ka admit. So, dito pakita mo lang yung Kaiser mo. Kaiser card or yung benefit card mo na downloadable naman, pwede mo i-save sa cellphone mo. Automatic yan. 2, annual physical examination. Ito yung libreng X-ray, ECG, laboratories, urinalysis, fecalysis, CBC, laboratories, pap smear. After yan, nang makapaghulog ng 1 year. So remember, after 1 year, full payment of premium, gamit mo na yan. Number 3, dental benefits. Unlimited dental check-up, unlimited simple tooth extraction, or bunot, dental prophylaxis or mild cleaning. So, after din yan ng 1 year. Free eye examination and meron tayong libreng frames twice a year. Free consultation sa in-house doctors. So, itong free eye examination is benefit to siya sa IMG. So, pero meron dito siyang Kaiser frames, no? Or IMG frames. So, number 6, meron tayong hospital room benefit. So, pipili ka anong room yung gusto mo dito. Di ba? Depende sa plan na kinuha mo. Medical assistance benefit. Ito yung hospitalization. Yung pinakamalit na plan which is 88 pesos a day or K45 will give you 50,000 annual benefit limit which is consumable. Hindi siya pwede i-convert into cash. K75 to 100 is 60,000 limit mo. Magagamit mo yung medical assistance benefit after 1 year. Special and extended benefit. So, yan. Mga dialysis, magnetic resonance. So, after nitong 7 years ka nakapag-save, on the 8th year, covered na yan kahit mga pre-existing illness na yan, di ba? Magka-cancer ka bigla, or kahit anong sakit, kahit yung sa maternity, kasi depende na yan sa health funds mo. So, tumataas na yung limit mo dyan. Life insurance coverage. So, example dito is K100. So, ang natural death dito is 450,000. Pag accident times 2, 900,000. So, ang kagandahan nito sa Kaiser, pag within 7 years, pag may mangyari sa'yo, no? Pagkatapos ng 2 years contestability period, merong ibibigay sa first beneficiary. Depende kung anong cost ng death. 450 ba or 900,000. And then, yung buong 7 years, mapu-fully paid na siya. Yung buong Kaiser mo, mapapamana sa kanya, mapapasa. So, siya na ang gagamit ng Kaiser mo. Yung free hospitalization, free dental, and free annual physical exam. Maghihintay na yun siya ng 13 years, makukuha pa niya yung investment mo sa maturity. Something happen sa kanya, mapasa sa second. Diba? So, magiging pamana siya sa family mo para sa transferable sa immediate family mo. Yung kagandahan sa Kaiser. So, meron din tayong mga loss of body parts or dismemberment. No? Both hands, 100%. Both eyes, loss of life. Waiver of installment due to death. Ito yung sabi ko nga, if a Kaiser member dies during 7 years, automatically fully paid na siya. Yung plan, waiting for maturity na yung beneficiary. Pero may natanggap na siyang insurance nun. Meron din tayo yung waiver of installment due to permanent disability. So, pag permanently disabled ka na, totally disabled na na-declare, the succeeding payments will be waived and refrained from enforcing. Family assistance service. So, yung family mo, immediate family, can use your Kaiser for the meantime in case of emergency. So, dito, para sila pautangin. For example, yung father ko na hospital, wala akong pera. For the meantime, si Kaiser, pwedeng ipagamit yung Kaiser ko. Same kami ng limit. Pero upon approval po yan, no? Sa Kaiser. So, isi-settle mo rin yun prior to discharge yung pinahiram ng Kaiser sa'yo. So, that's all about Kaiser. Ang kagandahan sa kanya, 7 years ka lang maghuhulog, no? Ako dito 4 years na ako, magti 3 years tapos na ako dito sa Kaiser ko. Pwede kang mag-annual dito, yearly, discounted ka ng 2 months. 10 months lang ang nahulog mo na bayad. Semi-annual, imbis na 6 months, 5 months lang. Meron tayong quarterly din, tsaka monthly. Normal ka naghuhulog. 13 years yung iintayin mo pagkatapos maghulog na 7 years for maturity. So, tax-free yung total accumulated amount of your investment. 2 months yung grace period. Ano yung grace period? Example, nag-start ka ng January, February, March, hindi ka nakapag-save or nakapaghulog. April, naghulog ka ulit. So, yung months na hindi mo nahulugan, may option kang hulugan or hindi. Pag hindi mo siya hulugan, may extend lang yung 7 years mo. Doon siya malalagay. So, magiging 7 years and 2 months. Pag nahulugan mo, mas maganda, 4 months siya lahat, hindi siya may extend. Then, transferable sa immediate family. PhilHealth and Insurance Commission regulated. So, pag may PhilHealth ka, unahin mo yung PhilHealth mo. Tapos, what's remaining sa balance mo, pwede mo ipa-shoulder kay Kaiser para kunti lang yung makash out mo or wala ka na makash out. So, sabi nga ni Kaiser, a year from now, you will wish you had started today. So, napakaganda talaga na nag-invest ka sa health mo because health is wealth. Ika nga, di ba? So, that's why sa solid financial foundation natin, we put emphasis on the proper healthcare talaga yung importante. Ang kagandahan lang kay Kaiser, you hit 3 birds in 1 stone. Meron ka ng proper healthcare, meron ka pang life insurance, and then, meron ka pang mutual fund investment. So, a year from now, you will wish you had started today talaga. Kasi baka magulat ka, matulad ka ng isang kasamahan ko sa barko na, Dave, kukuha na ako ng Kaiser. Bigla siya napadecide. Nagtaka ko bakit. Yun pala, yung misis niya pala na hospital. So, kumbaga parang it's too late na kasi nandun na sa hospital eh. Kasi para sa akin, ang Kaiser is para siyang fire extinguisher na naka-ready lang, may sunog or wala, kung kailangan mo or hindi. Di ba? Kung hindi mo man kailangan, mas maganda kasi tumutubo yung pera mo. Kung kailangan mo, mas maganda din kasi merong sasalo sa'yo. So, nasolve ni Kaiser yung two questions sa life. First is, what if you die too soon? If you die too soon, you have a life insurance. Then, second, if you live too long naman tatanda ka, you have a long-term healthcare, tsaka yung investment. But what if during the process, you get sick, you have a free hospitalization, free dental, di ba? Free medical, no? And check-up na yan after 7 years. So, ang kagandahan dyan, peace of mind. Yun yung importante sa isang investment. Meron kang peace of mind. And Kaiser is a total solution na magbibigay sa iyo ng peace of mind. Di ba? So, You can start with Kaiser. If you are 10 to 40 years old, ang minimum plan sa'yo is K45. So this example is for age 25. Sabihin ko lang, this is a long-term healthcare na pwedeng kumuha nito is 10 years old to 60 years old. So kung you are 10 to 40, ang minimum plan mo is K45. Yung monthly dyan, 2.6. Quarterly, semi-annual, then annual. If you are 41 to 50, ang minimum plan is K60, that's 3.5. So 51 to 60, ang minimum plan is K75, that's 4.4. So bakit siya tumataas? Kasi as we all know, the more we age, mas risky ka na, di ba? Kahit anong sakit na yung pwedeng dumapo sa'yo once you become old and aging. So that's why at early age talaga, invest in your health. So you could never be wrong once you invest in your health. Kasi katawan natin yung puhunan natin dito. Pag ikaw ay isang empleyado. So dito makikita mo yung maturity value. So this is for age 25. So if you want to get a quotation, just contact me, di ba? Anytime in my Facebook. My name is Dave Vallejo sa Facebook. My contact number is here, my email. So you can ask for a quotation. Just give me your location, your name, your location, your age, and your email and contact number. So ang kagandahan itong Kaiser, no, gamit na gamit ko to siya. Dati 4 years na ako dito sa Kaiser. Yung dental niya, anytime pag nagkailangan ko magpa-dental dati sa Seaman pa ako, nagpapa-dental ako dito. Or pag mapending ako sa medical, nagpapa-APE din ako. Yan. So you can start Kaiser by just saving 88 pesos a day. Ganyan siya ka affordable. So thank you for watching.